In 1947, Bugs Bunny starred in the Looney Tunes cartoon short Easter Yeggs, along with the Easter Bunny, or as he referred to himself in the short, the Easter Rabbit. In the short, Bugs happens upon the Easter Bunny, Rabbit, sitting on a log, crying, and complaining that he can't deliver his Easter eggs because his feet are sore. Bugs offers to do the job, and ends up encountering a nasty little kid who abuses him, the kid's family, who try to shoot Bugs, and Elmer Fudd, who attempts to turn Bugs into an Easter rabbit stew. All the while, Bugs continually tries to give the basket of eggs back to the Easter rabbit. In the end, Bugs, as usual, gets the last laugh. This is vintage Looney Tunes at its best, from the golden age of animation, and easy to find with a quick Google search. Good stuff. One more thing. I tried to find out why the cartoon was called Easter Yeggs instead of eggs. The word yegg means burglar or safecracker, neither of which appear in this cartoon. But I think it's just one of those crazy Looney Tunes play on words that makes absolutely no sense. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for a full video on how to draw Bugs and the Easter Rabbit and hundreds of other lessons.